Before starting this video, please watch the last video, which was about registering user with email and password. So, in this video, we will update and access the user profile. So first, open activity_register.xml. Here, we will create an edit text above email ID edit text to enter display name. ID will be et_register_uname. Int will be enter your display name. Remove input type, top to top of, bottom to bottom of and vertical bias. Instead, add bottom to top of, register email. Margin bottom, 10. Now, we will create reference for this in register activity. If et_register_uname.getText.toString. is empty. Uname.setError, please enter display name. Else if now, in create user with email and password, if the task is successful, that is, user is created, we need to update the profile. User profile change request. Profile change request equals new user profile change request dot builder. Dot set display name. et_register_uname dot get text dot to string. Dot set photo URL. Here, we will use photo link of an online image. I will select Creative Commons and make sure I am permitted to use it. Right-click on image and copy image link. Now, yuri.pass, paste the link here. .build. moth.getCurrentUser.update profile, profile change request, add on complete listener. If the user profile is updated, then we will display the toast here, instead of displaying it above. User registered. Now in sign-in package, we will create a new activity. Empty views activity, let us name it profile activity. In activity_profile, we will create an image view and an edit text. Image view. Width, 250. Height, 250. ID, IMV_profile pic. Top to top of parent, left to left of parent. Right to right of parent. Margin top, 10. Edit text. Width, 250. Height, 50. ID, et_display_name. Gravity, center. Top to bottom of, profile pic. Left to left of, parent. Right to right of, parent. Margin top, 10. Now, we will create references for these two in profile activity. Also, Firebase Auth, Auth. To load image, we will use Glide. Open build.gradle module app. Here, add dependency for Glide. Now in profile activity, Glide dot with get application context dot load auth dot get current user dot get photo URL dot into imv underscore profile pic. at underscore display underscore name dot set text auth dot get current user dot get display name. Now in main activity, we will create a button for profile. ID will be btn underscore profile. Text, profile. Remove top to top of and bottom to bottom of and also vertical bias. Instead, top to bottom of btn underscore register. Margin top 10. Now create reference for this button in main activity. btn underscore profile dot set on click listener. If auth dot get current user equals now, toast dot make text user not found. Else intent equals new intent main activity dot this profile activity dot class start activity intent. Now, let us click on Run. I have deleted the user account in Firebase Authentication, so this will be a fresh registration. Click on Register. I will enter my name, email ID, and password and then click on Register. Now if I click on Profile, I can see display name and profile picture. If you want, you can add an update button here and then update the new display name. So in upcoming videos, we will look at signing process with email and password.